Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Let's continue, Tim. Let's continue master AWS data engineering. In that, let's continue who can learn AWS data engineering. Let me discuss, Tim. Who want to start their data career? Let's say you are a fresher. You want to enter into data world. Maybe data engineering, maybe data analysis, maybe data science side. I always suggest start your career with data engineering. Uh, so, who want to start data engineering career? This is best course for AWS data engineering, best course for data engineering team. And next one, who are working professionals, who are working in different kind of technologies like Java, .NET, testing, and other IT technology. They are working with 5 years or 10 years. They are getting less packages. They want to increase their salaries. AWS data engineering is the best solution, and it having lot of opportunities, and it pays more money compared to traditional development or traditional tech job roles. AWS data engineering having lot of openings and paying huge packages compared to other technologies. And I always suggest people like who are working in BI or who are working in RDBMS side, like database administrators or database developers or reporting people. They have a strong SQL knowledge. They may feel only programmatic approach like Python. Learning Python is not difficult. It is very easy. Our prerequisite concept is more than enough for working on AWS data engineering. So these are first persons to move their career into AWS data engineering team. I said AWS data engineering solutions we can implement using using two approaches. One is SQL approach and other approach is programmatic approach. In that programmatic approach, industry preferred industry preferred Python. Python. Maximum, we will try to implement solutions using SQL approach team. Maximum, we will try to implement SQL approach. If SQL is not meeting the requirement, we will take help of programmatic approach. So, who are in SQL background, I suggest join AWS data engineering course. You are first person eligible, whether you may be BI developer, you may be SQL developer, you may be data warehouse developer, you may be working in reporting side. You are first person eligible for data engineering team because you have a strong SQL knowledge. Compared to others, you can provide best solutions. So next I can suggest, let's say you are having 10 plus years. Instead of 1 minute. Yeah, let's say you have 10 plus years of experience. Instead of spending time on other data engineering, uh, learn AWS data engineering team. It has lot of openings for experienced people like you. Means at least you have to convert 3 to 4 years of your experience. 3 to 4 years of your experience into data engineering. This course will help you to convert 3 to 4 years of experience into AWS data engineering team. Yeah, that's it for this who can learn AWS data engineering team. And